Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Drive video is still processing. Now let's just go ahead and open up the Google Drive on mobile. So for example, I'm gonna upload a video so I can show you how this kind of information looks like. So tap on this plus icon and tap on this upload. And now I have uploaded a certain video on my Google Drive account, and once I click on it, it shows some time that video is still processing. Right here at the bottom part, it gives an info that's still processing now what you can actually do is just to wait for that video for Google Drive to process. So the waiting time basically depends on the duration of the video, the file size, or even your internet connection. So if your video has a big file size, it may take a longer time for it to be processed by Google Drive, so you can play it through Google Drive as well. So what you can do is just to wait for it to be processed, so you can just refresh through your app. So I'm just going to click on next right here. So I'm going to refresh it from here, just dragging down and refresh and try to open that again, and maybe your video will be open after refreshing and processed. Now if it is taking longer than usual, what you can do is to log out of your Google account. Here you can tap on your profile icon in the top right, click on manage accounts on this device at the bottom of the screen, and click on remove from this device. So remove that account where you have uploaded your video, where it says that still processing, and then you can just relog into that account and see if your video has already been processed. Now as you can see, the video has already been processed on mine because I uploaded a short video, so that's why it didn't take long. So you can click on play. It means that the video has been already processed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.